on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a glass bottle into a bong step by step using one of my starter kits right here. I'm going to be using a Hennessy bottle. I'm using one of the fucking classics. I've gotten a lot of requests from this one, so I'm finally going to get around to it. So what you're going to need is a starter kit right here. Links in the description below if you want to pick that up. A drill bit, and then you need a spray bottle. So you can actually use a vase bottle too, or anything along those lines. So yeah, and the first step, what we're gonna need to do is take your starter kit, and then you're gonna get the drill bit and then put it in the drill. And then the second step is you're gonna grab your electric tape right here and your washer. You can lay this bad boy on the side, like so. Balance that. Just gonna take your electric tape. I got scissors right here, just make it a little easier. Do it like 2 times. Sweet. So it should look something like that, super easy. So, and what you do before you drill is you need to add water. That's why I have the spray bottle right here, because if you don't add water, it'll crack, and so you don't want that, and you always want to just lubricate it at all times. So what you're gonna do is just lubricate it and then start drilling. So I usually add water a few times before I start drilling again. That way, I have water on there constantly. So it's a good thing to do. So, and once you made a groove, you can actually take off the electric tape. So it should look something like this. Got a little groove in there. So we're almost ready to go. So let's continue. Alright, so we're almost there. So what you're gonna need to do is ease up on the pressure on the drill, because if you just keep hammering it through, you don't want the bottle to crack. So just ease up on the pressure. So alright, sweet, we made it through. So right here, this is what it looks like. Got the hole right here. And make sure to empty the glass piece that you drill into. So just take it out. If I can fucking find it. Is it already out? Oh shit, it's in the drill bit. Oh, never mind. So, okay, next step is we're gonna need to get the grommet right here and just work it around the hole right here. So we're just gonna go like that. That shouldn't be too hard. You just, sometimes it's going to be a little harder because the curvature of the bottle. So sometimes I'll use a flathead screwdriver or something along those lines to get the grommet in there. Here, I'm just going to use a pair of scissors right here. So just sweet, and it should look something like that right here. So. And what you're gonna need to do next is you're gonna need to grab your spray bottle right here. Spray it a few times. Make sure to spray it so you can lubricate when you insert the stem, because you don't want to fucking go and dry. You know what I mean? All those fucking amateurs out there, you know what I mean. So grab right here, grab the 4-inch stem, and you're just gonna insert it slowly. Don't jam it in there. So do it slowly. Sweet, it should look something like this. Fucking looks sick. So, and then you can use, I have a choice of a banger bowl. I just like to use the bowl because I think it looks cool. So, yeah, and that's it. That's all you need. So, that's how to turn any alcohol bottle or glass bottle into a bong. So, and also, I'm having a giveaway next week starting Monday, and it ends on Friday. If I can fucking talk. The giveaway is a starter kit and a mason jar starter kit. So it's over $100 valuation. So it's a good deal. So what you're gonna need to do to qualify is tag 2 friends on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. So tag 2 friends, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and tag 2 friends on my Instagram. And my Instagram is lstem_. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I had a good time doing this. So stay tuned for every Friday. I'm gonna start doing videos. So cool. I'll see you guys later.